Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 203 Cam Flat Road in Bli. This unique 2.5 acre parcel has two separate building envelopes, one at each end of the property, which will make it highly appealing to a range of buyers, from developers to owner-occupiers that are looking for separation for a secondary dwelling, a potential business, or even a man shed. Finding acreage close to town is becoming extremely rare. Here you can walk to Good Samaritan College, as well as local cafes, playgrounds and parks, or take a short drive to the Bli village, including the soon-to-be completed tavern, as well as the Maroochy River Golf Club. 203 Cam Flat Road has all the services run to site, ready to start your build. Why don't you give me a call and we'll walk you over for your own private tour.